Hey yo, what is up, gang? Or people. I'm gonna show you guys how to make easy money. So yeah. So as y'all can see, make a account here to earn 3 per click. So you guys are gonna earn 3 per click. So yeah. As y'all can see, it's not gonna take you here, but my bad, y'all. So what y'all wanna do is copy this link right here, or y'all could click it. Me, I already have an account and everything like that. So paste it right there. So after y'all paste it right there, y'all wanna click make money. So if you already have account, make a new account, or this will not work. So after y'all make a new account, and then it's gonna look like this. Yeah, you guys are not gonna have any money yet. So what y'all wanna do is as y'all can see, this is legit right here. So yeah. So what y'all wanna do is create link. And for example, let's just say I want something to be done and to be dropped on YouTube or anything like that. So what I want to do is, y'all want to paste this here. See, I already used that. So let me see. For example, let's just say a Roblox game, right? Right there, boom. And right here, y'all want to type anything like example test, right? And y'all want to fill this up with paragraph. Me already got a whole paragraph right here. Just type any type of paragraph. It can't be too long. It don't matter what type of shit it is. And boom, there y'all go. And for here, y'all want to just put a Q&A. So, and a picture. Y'all just want to put picture. And boom, that's about it right there. And y'all want this to be fully, and turn all of this on, and y'all will be earning hella money. Alright, so that's it. Alright, y'all be safe.